Nice one. So basically I'm back in the kitchen to share a beautiful recipe with you guys, and it's gonna be a simple one. All right, I got some, this is just some leftover blueberry I have right here, and I'm gonna mix some blueberry with some cucumber and ginger and lemon for a beautiful smoothie. So I'm gonna put my blueberry, and then also I'm gonna put some lemon juice, half a lemon juice inside of it like this. Lovely. Now I have half a cucumber and it's organic. I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger. So I'm gonna put a nice lovely tablespoon of fresh ginger inside of it. And now we're gonna put some water. If you like, you can put some honey. And now we're gonna blend this. All right, we're gonna blend this to get a beautiful flavor. Nice one. So this is just a very healthy weight loss smoothie for you guys. Look at this. Fantastic. Now, if you like it, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. All right, guys? So remember to subscribe to the channel and also share some love. See you next time with more recipes. And I'm out for now. Bye-bye.